How to fix unblock device camera issue on your stock Android 15 and other Android device. By default, when you open the camera and you can find the issue of a camera on your device like this. Now when you open camera, you can't see screen on your device. Also when you can see the unblock device camera message on your device. To fix this issue, swipe down the notification panel from the top on your device. Tap the setting gear icon. Now scroll down up to security and privacy. Tap on it. Again scroll down. Here you can find the privacy control option. Different Android device has slightly different setting to allow the camera and microphone access setting. You can also search direct from the here like a camera access. Search for the camera access. Tap on it. Now here you can find the camera access, so toggle on it. Also you can find the microphone access, so make sure both option toggle on so you can easily access camera and microphone on your device. Now open the camera and you can take a screenshot and fix the unblock camera issue on your device. That's it. Like it, share it.